We are recording.
Hello.
Let's go. En kijk. Lollipopedia.
Lollipop.
En kijk.
En-
Oh, Jesus.
No. What? Stop.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, try again. One more time.
Encyclopedia. Second.
What's up, Renata?
Conk.
Sekong.
Jesus
Sekong.
Christ. I didn't mean to say that. Second.
Sekong. King Kong's brother, Sekong.
Granny tight.
Granny tight.
Granny tight. Oh, it's that granite.
Finally.
Oh, I didn't know that was the Minecraft word. Jesus Christ.
Granny tight.
I didn't know that was the Minecraft word.
Granny tight.
Minecraft word.
Granny tight.
How would you pronounce that?
Splatterate. Splere.
You sound like you're asking someone to give you latte. Hey, splele latte. I think
Paruk.
what?
Parrot.
Hey, I want a pirate on that album. I want a pirate on that game.
Man, skip.
Okay, boy.
Don't ask. Traka, Cesar.
Try again, boy.
Traka, Cesar.
Now, some easy words.
Oh, Egyptian. That's so easy.
Hard word.
Pecan. Pecan?
Maybe not.
Come on. Pecan? Yes, pecan.
It's a southern word, yeah.
Yay! Stop the game.
Thank you for watching.